Welcome back to Bionic BoB Crypto. Welcome to the crypto news chill and charts update. You guys very well know I talk about that crypto. We talk about the coins that are going to pump, that are doing well, that also have a lot of upside to them in the very, very near future. Now, today, this is another episode of the pump of the day, okay, as well as a very interesting crypto with I think a ton of use cases, and I'm going to tell you about my journey that I'm going to be on as well, creating some NFTs and sharing that with you as well. Okay, so before we get into that, in case you already know, you see it on the thumbnail, we're going to be talking about Bake today, baby, Bakery Swap, and how we could possibly do pretty well doing some NFTs and experimenting with them on Bakery Swap. So that's what I'm intending on doing. I want to share the journey with you as well on that. So make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. Also share, and don't forget I do the nightly live stream, the nightly crypto live stream, the night shift at midnight Eastern Standard Time every night. So without further ado, let's get into CoinMarketCap really quick. At this time right now, we are at $2.2 trillion market cap here on the 1st of May at about 3:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bitcoin's at 57.5. It's up. Been bouncing around, trying to break out of that 58,000 and doing very well. Ethereum all-time highs again, up 6 points. Binance Coin and the token that we're going to be talking about is on Binance Smart Chain, and it is it's something that is really very interesting, and it's been pumping like crazy. Okay, to round off the top 10, XRP up 0.5%. Dogecoin up 10% almost, and unstoppable. Cardano, man, down a point. It's the one that I'm stacking. Okay, and I'm going to tell you more about how much I'm stacking on that too, but I'm stacking Cardano. I know that sooner or later it's going to pop. Same with Polkadot, Uniswap as well. And to round off the top 10, we've got Bitcoin Cash. The honorable mentions always are Link, which is going to pump big time. Solana up 12%. VeChain is still chilling. All right, so let's talk about the coin and a super pump going on this coin today, as well as over the last few days. I mean, it's been crazy. We've been up about 400% almost, and we're going to get into the charts of it as well. Okay, but Bakery token, Bake baby. Okay, it is the a token of Bakery Swap, which is becoming more and more the largest NFT play on the Binance chain. Okay, for a number of reasons. Number one, those gas fees. Everyone does not like those gas fees on Ethereum. Plus the fact that it's still super slow, and ETH 2.0, who knows when that's coming out. You know what I mean? And Vitalik might be 100 by the time that come out. Okay, so a lot of people are looking at Binance chain. A lot of influencers out here, including myself, I'm kind of falling into that camp that, hey, can Binance Coin flip Ethereum? That is something that it's quite possible. I mean, what is it that Binance doesn't have, okay, anymore? I mean, Ethereum, yeah, that's a platform, one of the biggest, that you're building dApps on, but Binance, the largest exchange in the world, launchpad, pools, NFT plays, and the Binance Smart Chain, as well as all the other projects that they're a part of and have purchased as well. So, man, that's something that we're going to definitely keep our eye on here in the near future. But Bakery Swap, man, oh my God, up 40% today. So you say, well, what is Bakery Swap? Well, here is Bakery Swap right here, and what they're kind of modeling themselves to be right now is the premier NFT marketplace on Binance chain. Okay, so why are you saying that people would even mess with this? Well, hey, there you go, right here. Connect your Binance wallet. Okay, the fees are just crazy small, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys because I'm going to release some tokens here as well on Bakery Swap. I got a couple being made right now, and they are actually of my hat brand right here called Undefeated. Okay, so we're going to release some tokens that will come as a part with the real hat. So these hats are one of one. I designed them, and I only make one of each type of colorway or one of each type of style mixed with that colorway. So we're gonna include with the NFT, you're gonna actually get the real hat too. So we're trying to figure all that out. So stay tuned. I want to share this experience with you guys, and I want you guys to subscribe, like, share, and join me on the midnight crypto live stream. So this is the big play right here. Okay, as you guys can see now, Cake is the other token they've been modeling themselves as, that AMM, that automated market maker. You know what I mean? So that's, in case you guys didn't know, automated market maker. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit more about that. Okay, but Bake is also an AMM, so you can exchange right here. Okay, there's pools, you can add liquidity, there's farming, and then bam, there's the NFT marketplace. All right, so I mean, it's doing a lot. Bake is doing a lot, and for it being way down here still at the number 211 token, I mean, there might be quite a bit of upside still on it. Market cap is about 1.2 billion. All right, and it could pump. It could definitely pump. Okay, and it is pumping right now. All right, so this is a little bit about how that NFT marketplace shows up. And when you go to Bakery Swap, that's the first thing that does show up: gallery launching. So other sites, the swap part of it shows up first, but when you go to Bakery Swap, wow, you get right on and you're checking out NFTs right here right away. Okay, so yeah, very interesting. Now, what else is going on with Bakery Swap? Why is it like pumping so hard right now? Okay, well, here's what Bakery Swap looks like on CoinGecko as well. I like to check the different news outlets, and one thing that is very more of a common feature is that those Binance tokens, the tokens that are available on Binance.com, oh my God, they have a huge pump factor. Okay, they can go bionic very quickly. Okay, so I mean, that's a major deal with good projects, and then especially if you're on Binance exchange, I mean, you're gonna pump. Okay, so yeah, well, that's what's going on Twitter. I like to check the Twitter as well of these projects, and we're gonna get into the chart too in just a second. Okay, so as we check out their Twitter right here, you can see Bakery Swap is the first AMM plus NFT exchange on the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so yeah, I mean, they're the first one. They're really modeling themselves out to be that NFT play on the Binance Smart Chain, and I mean, they're doing very well. We talk about the Bakery Gallery right here that they came out with also yesterday, right? So a lot of stuff happening. Okay, now don't sleep on Burger, because Burger already pumped a little bit, but those are some of the things that are coming, right? Oh, and look at that, they got the rare car collection. You know what I mean? So you could start collecting those car NFTs as well. Pretty cool. You know what I mean? So that's a little bit about Bake. It is an AMM. Now here on this channel, I like to learn too. We're learning together. Okay, so Bake, Cake, all of those guys are AMM. So when that AMM term comes up, you'll know it's called an automated market maker. Okay, which is a system that provides liquidity to the exchange it operates in through automated trading. Okay, all right. So Here's the bake medium page right here. Once again, NFTs are at the top right here, right? So Meat Bakery featured artists today. We've got artists showing up on here, a whole nice little gallery. And once again, the thing that's driving this is the low gas fees and the speed at which we're going, right? Now, another article right here, right? So a bakery token right here is one of the top dApps on Binance chain right here. So you see the 7-day change here is 76% as far as the type of volume that they're doing on there, 18,000%, okay, increase, right? And this is from Crypto Rank that was pulled on Wednesday, right? So we're doing well. We're doing well. A ton of new people coming onto the platform. 125,000 bakers. Okay, I like that. A little catchy too. So we're baking caking and baking. Okay, on Bakery Swap, right? Man, look at it right now on Binance. This is the Binance exchange right here, as you guys can see right here. Oh man, we are up big, up 44% on the day, pumping like crazy. Okay, now here's what Bake looks like over the last few days. This is what's been going on with Bake. So let me jump into this chart really quick. And at the time of making this video right now, we're at $6.64. Since April 27th, we've gone up 363% in 4 days. Okay, so about 100% a day. All right, now a lot of people, they might say, oh, should I buy? No, this is not financial advice at all, but what I would tell you guys is to dollar cost average into a project. Okay, and it's true that some of these projects, they don't come back down too much, but they do still retrace. We could still have a retrace at least down to $5.80. And then as you guys can see here, it's just been boom over the last 40 days. You're up 400%. It might be, you might wait. Not financial advice, or like I said, you could dollar cost average. No one can call the top and no one can call the bottom on this, right? So once again, this has been my video about Bakery Swap and how I feel that there's still a ton of potential on Bakery Swap out there. We can still 5 to 10x from here, but do I suggest that you go out and buy it right now while it's at all-time highs? Well, I don't think so. Not right now, until we get a little bit of a retrace. That is my thoughts. Make sure you guys do your own research. Make sure you guys study the market yourselves. This is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my experiences with you guys on my crypto journey. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. Also, don't forget to join me on my midnight crypto live stream every night at midnight Eastern Standard Time, where we chill, chart, and chat, baby. All right. Until mañana, peace and love. Bionic out here, baby.